What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix device can't find my hotspot issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, click on connections. Now in connections, click on mobile hotspot and tethering. And then in mobile hotspot and tethering, click on mobile hotspot. So make sure your hotspot is enabled, and after enabling, if you are still facing the issue, then tap on band, and then here you will see a advanced option. So tap on this option, and then here you will see a hidden network button. So if you have enabled hidden network feature, then it will hide your hotspot name from the Wi-Fi list. So turn off this button and then tap on save to save changes. And after customizing this setting, your hotspot issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.